Hi everybody, I do hope you're keeping well. Now, for our activity today, we're going to play a game called Time for Tea Number Work. For this activity, you need some teacups. You could have 1 teacup or 2 teacups, it's up to you. You might like to have a selection of teacups. I've got some Play-Doh here, my pot of Play-Doh, and I've rolled up 2 balls of Play-Doh. I've got a dice, I've got some kebab sticks. I've got some scissors, I've got some penne pasta, but you could use beads, and I've also got some numbers here written down on little pieces of paper. If you've got magnetic little plastic numbers, they would be perfect. I've also got myself a whiteboard in case I want to record any numbers. I've got some pens, and to have a sensory element to it, I've got some shaving foam. Now first of all, I'm going to take myself a teacup. I'm going to put some Play-Doh inside my teacup. It's all inside. Now I've done that, I take myself a kebab stick. Now on your kebab stick you have 1 flat side and 1 sharp side. Using your scissors, cut off the sharp side. Once you've done that, you can put your stick inside your dough, and it's gone inside my teacup. I'm now going to take my dice and roll my dice. I'm going to drop it like this. 1, 2, 3 and drop. Oh, how many spots have I got? Can you help count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 spots. I need to see if I can find number 5. Let's have a look down here. Now, I'm not sure which one number 5 is, to be honest. I'm really not sure. Maybe you could help me find it. Can you see number 5 anywhere? You can? Oh, I can't see it. I tell you what, I'm going to use my number line to help me. So I've got a number line here, and a number line is numbers written down in order. You could have numbers 1 to 5, 1 to 10, or even 1 to 20 if you want. I've got numbers 1 to 20. I need to find number 5. Can you help me find number 5, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That's number 5. Now I know what number 5 looks like. I can find that number on my plate. It's not that one because that's number 6. And it's not this one because that's number 3. Is it this one? 5? Is that the same? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yeah, that's the same. Now I've done that, I'm going to put my number 5 inside my cup. It's inside my teacup. Now I'm going to take myself 5 pieces of pasta. If you've got beads, that's perfect. You can use beads. I'm going to use penne pasta today. I need 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that finished? Can I do 4? No, it's got number 5. It has to be 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That's right. 5. Can you see? Yeah, I did it. So have fun playing that game. If you want to extend learning, you could write the number down on your board. So you could start recording addition on your board. If you want to add a sensory element to it, you could use sand or flour or salt and create sensory trays, or you could put some shaving foam on a plate or a board or on your worktop or even on a whiteboard like me. You could put that on there. Just going to get a tissue to wipe this off. And you could, if you wanted to, trace the number inside the shaving foam. It is lots of fun doing this. So I'm going to trace number 5. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, that's it. Number 5. Yeah! Have loads of fun, everybody, playing Time for Tea number work. Don't forget, on the other videos, you'll find some extension videos to show you how to extend learning. Have a good time, everyone.